Hello, Michael, KFA. Welcome to our topic, Coaching Methodology Part 3. How to get our theoretical consideration when planning the training on the pitch. Today we are focusing on the practical implementation. Please remember the two types of training form, games and drill. I will choose just one topic, having one intention, but using different ways. Topic will be switching. Always the same, but applied and implemented in different kinds of training form. First, we are dealing with a pure drill. The training form is in a realistic space, no opponents, one solution, and the coach has the basic order and the position already here in mind. By using crucial techniques and appropriate individual timing. Remember the next drill, the drill match related. We have quite the same situation according to the pitch due to majority of opponents in the center. Third drill form will close to the match. A triangle on both sides, on both wings, is cut off because of winger positions and team tactics. Here we are dealing with group tactics. Offense team is free to create chances, and everything is possible now. Due to the organization with a strong midfield of the opponent, wing play and switching are more provoked. Both teams are playing in a 4-2 formation, and defense team can create realistic pressure immediately. After winning the ball, they are allowed to score in the mini goals, and the line marking is still there, but only for the orientation. Let me switch to the game forms, and let me start with a pure game. In this training form, to make the right decision either by switching or score near goal. Both teams learn how to use the proper space. By playing on this size of pitch, 8v8, on box to box, makes the space wide. Provoking, switching much more. After scoring, attacking team keeps the ball and it's going back and forth. Now we are getting match related. Wing play and switching is provoked by using wing zones and location of goals. If the ball is on the one wing zone, defense team cannot stay on the other side wing zone, but offense team is allowed. Finally, let's play a game very close to the match. Due to the shallow depth of space, the defense team will protect the central zone. This provokes from the offense team switching and playing over the wing. This training is quite similar to previous, but now it is close to the match, so wing zone line is left only for orientation. Laws of the game is applied in this training. Believe me guys, it will work out for sure. Trust yourself, be creative, just do it. But always be aware, you can create your own individual coaching style and you can create your own team development process. Please follow the next video. Have a good time until then and see you soon. 수고하세요.